Hey girl, hey! Chinese salt and pepper wings. So what you're going to need is some chicken. This could be wings, thighs, just chicken with the skin on. You're gonna need garlic, ginger, Chinese rice wine, Shaoxing wine, salt and pepper. I'm using Himalayan salt because that's what I have. Potato starch. If you can't find it, then you're going to use cornstarch. Okay, so first we're going to cut a little knob of ginger and we're going to get rid of the skin. Next, you're going to want 3 cloves of garlic, whole. You don't want to dice them or anything, we just want the whole thing. To peel back the garlic skins, I take the knife and I just smash it down. Try to be gentle when you're smashing the garlic because if it tears itself apart, it's going to be harder to grate. We want it to come out whole like that. Okay, so for the marinade, we're going to use that Shaoxing wine, Chinese rice wine. And this is like the main ingredient for our marinade. A little bit more. Next, grinded up pepper. Freshly ground pepper works a lot better for this marinade. I don't know why, it just does. But if you don't have a grinder, then just use regular black pepper, but don't come at me if it don't taste right. Next is the salt. If you have like a flaky sea salt, that would be better. I don't have flaky sea salt, so I'm doing the next best thing, which is my pink Himalayan salt. Next, we're going to grate our ginger and garlic. Just gonna grate, watch your fingers, smack it down. Once everything is mixed, you could either put your chicken in the bowl with it, but I like to put it in a ziplock bag and take all the air out so it has more coverage, that it's all over the chicken. Now your marinade is ready for the fridge for 24 hours. I'm going to put a plate under mine because I don't trust the cheap ziplock bags that I got because I got the off-brand ones. But it is what it is. Next day, we need 2 green onions, quarter of an onion, jalapeno and fresno pepper, ginger, and like 5 things of garlic. The way we're going to prepare them is you're going to chop the garlic and the bottoms of the green onions. You're going to chop your chilies together, have your onion by itself and your green onion tops. We're gonna have a heat on medium and a deep pan. Put our frying oil in there. You don't want it fully topped off. You just want like a quarter or even less than half way up, because this is gonna bubble up and you don't want it to boil over. Next to your frying station, you want some type of elevated rack just so that the chicken can drip off. You're going to use your cornstarch or potato starch in a bowl. Going to take out our chicken from the marinade and put it on paper towels because we just want it to dry up a little bit. Take all your chicken out and just pat dry. We're going to take our chicken, dip it into our starch, and then put it into our fry. Your oil should be 350 degrees. If you don't have a reading thermometer to check that your oil is 350, you could use like a wooden chopstick or a wooden anything. Stick it into the oil to see if it bubbles. Cook for about 12 to 15 minutes depending on the size of your chicken or what type of chicken you're using. As soon as you take them out of the frying oil, immediately sprinkle them with salt. Once you're done frying all of your chicken, We're going to have a wok or a large pan on medium-high heat. Going to drop in about 3 tablespoons of butter and get it to melt into the pan. You're going to want to swirl it around the pan and get it all over. Next, we're going to drop in our garlic and our green onion bottoms. Give that a mix. Let that cook for about 30 seconds to a minute. It's really fast. You just don't want to burn it. Next, dump in your chilies and your onion. It's important to just keep mixing. What we're trying to do is get all of these flavors infused into the butter. Once veggies have softened, we're going to add in our green onion tops and then place in our chicken for the toss. This last part is optional, but it makes it taste really good. Is some caldo de pollo, chicken bouillon. Sprinkle it all over, toss it around again in the chicken, and then you're ready to enjoy. That's it. Okay, bye girl, bye.